about to spit this chunk. Fuck it. We just go in how we do that. In the kitchen, by the way, check me out. Look. My freestyle on that venom shit, if I spit, then I'm killing it. Don't bark, it gotta rattle. So basically, you fuck, bitch. MOS, no bitch assness. Who you think you fucking with? Shock R bitches backwards. I shot, yes I is. Off that broke shit. Origami money, you folding it. Don't smoke, but I took a bit. Y'all South Park teachers choke some dicks. I got the word. I need the bird to flow disperse. And now you heard flicking on my heat shit without my fucking big bitch. Spitting on this beat quick. We're all on that monster tip. Pink bunny flow, nigga, like I'm on my Easter shit, fresh off the top, so I guess I'm on my barber shit. Lift a nigga up, and I don't need my barber chair. Call me Shot Jenkins, cause I know this shit is just not fair. MOS, let's get it clear by any means necessary. From Philly spitting in Delaware, tote up, but that mind clear. Stand tall, eyes low, ain't no, you on the head, give him that hot shit. And then I keep going, I tell her put a mind to it, and then keep blowing as a nigga keep poking. I mean, keep on flowing the money, we keep it growing, skip rain, we keep it pouring, yeah. Keep it pouring, yeah.